Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video. Fair warning, I am extremely low energy today. I woke up on the wrong side of the bed, but that is not stopping the daily in-depth technical analysis for you beautiful peoples. Let's get right into the crypto fear and greed index. We are at the 30 levels. Fear. Okay, we are still heading up towards neutrality. Last week was extreme fear. Yesterday was at the 28s. And today, we can see we are at the 31s. So, we have seen a small retracement after we saw this 3-bar play here. Now, I have not issued an alert, and I have not averaged in to this 3-bar play because this previous resistance right here is what I was watching. I knew it was going to retrace, and I wanted to watch it show strong buying pressure around these 739 levels. It did not show that strong buying pressure that I was looking for. So, it's just patience now. Patience. We saw this 1, 2, and then we saw a nice big red candle. Which is okay, which is perfectly fine. I want to zoom out a tad because we are still making higher lows. We are still looking very, very nice. And if you look very close at this trend line that I'm about to draw, excuse me if I'm a little slow and low energy today. Just one of those days, my friends. You guys know the vibe. Sunday. Alright, so we are above this previous downward trend line, which is a really good thing. However, we did see some strong buying or selling pressure around these previous supports and these previous resistances. That's normal, extremely normal. However, this is what we want to see in the future in order for this to look very extremely bullish. Alright, let's get into it. I'm drawing some lines, some support lines. How am I getting these, guys? Alright, this is how I'm getting them. Pretty clear that this is the bottom of the wick. So, preferably the most bullish scenario, it will come down exactly what it's doing in this upward trend line pattern and show support. Alright, so if we close above the 710 levels today, on this daily candle, that's a very bullish sign because it shows that it came through and the buyers pushed it back up in this little upward trend line. However, trend lines are not the best to trade off of because they are constantly varying. The best way to trade in order to mitigate risk and maximize profit is by using support, resistance. So, this is the simplest way. We want to watch it come down and show buying pressure on these 6.8, 6.9 levels, okay? Because that is where the bottom of this previous wick is. Now, let's go over to Bitcoin. See what she's doing. We're down 2% on Bitcoin. We're down 5.5% on Dogelon. I really like these ratios because if you guys remember, whenever Bitcoin was up, Dogelon was lagging. Whenever Bitcoin goes down, it goes down really fast, which means whenever Bitcoin starts to go up again, it will go up much more. So it's a great sign on that part of things. But this is what we need to watch on Bitcoin. So we are nearing this previous resistance, as we can clearly tell on Bitcoin. This 41,882 level, all right? Around these 42s. Okay, so we want to see a nice retracement back down to this 50% mark. Right back down to here. Boom. Once we see this, we want to see nice buyers step in, push it higher. So these $40,000 levels, we want to see it hold. Okay? Come down, hold, push higher. That's the most natural move it can do. Because it will allow new investors to get in, and it will also scare some people out, which is a good thing in the overall market, the churn of the market. So, that being said, we very well could come down to these 6-8 levels as Bitcoin drops a little bit as well. Possibly even these 6-7-9 levels, these 6-9 or 6-7-9s. It's a beautiful thing. I will alert you guys, and I will let you guys know when I do average in the rest of my portfolio. I have not averaged in yet because I really wanted to see it hold. It spiked, saw some selling pressure around here, these previous resistances, clearly. And I wanted to really see it hold and then move back higher than these 7-6 levels, 7-5-9s. And then I would have averaged in. And this is why you be patient, and this is why you wait. Because 3-bar plays, they work. But they don't work all the time. And this is how you mitigate risk. Because in the times that they don't work, you will be patient and wait for the right time to get in. Now, if you just go ahead and jump in, then it is not the best if you're trying to mitigate the maximum amount of risk and make the most amount of profits. It's really about being patient. It's really about judging the markets, and if something doesn't align with your current trading plan, simply just do not put your money in it, okay? Like, if things are lining up, you will see it. But if you think this thing is going up, and you become biased towards a certain stock, crypto, anything, then you will start trading with emotion, and you will eventually, over a long enough time horizon, lose your money. Because let's say you go all in. This is going up, right? And it goes up, double. You make double your money, okay? You're going to do the same thing next time. You're going to go all in, and then if it goes up again, double your money. It's gambling at that point, okay? Because one time you will put money in, and it will go down, and you'll be like, no, this thing is going up. I know it is. Because of past experience, your brain will be like, you got this. You've done this before. This is nothing new. So you'll put more money in. You'll put more until you have nothing left. And that is what trading with emotion looks like. That is what you want to steer clear of. Follow the money. Follow the price action, okay? Because that is, trading with emotion is how most people trade. And we are here to take most people's money, okay? Whenever there is a loser, there is a winner. That is the stock market. That is the crypto markets. Because whenever there's a seller, there's a buyer. Whenever there's a buyer, there's a seller. So that's just how this market works. Okay. Hope you guys understood that. Excuse the low energy, my beautiful people. There's just days like this. I hope you guys understand. Look at this. We're testing the 7 levels now. We saw it come down in these 695s, push a little higher, which is good. But I think that's all I got for you guys today. I'll keep you guys updated for sure on everything that's going on if we see the wick. But right now, be patient. Hold your bags, because we could see a little more discount here. A little more discount as it drops a little bit lower in the future. So it's a good thing. It's a very good thing for the long term. It's also a very good thing for those who are trying to day trade. Speaking of, I'm gonna hop off. Crypto Billionaire 69. Feeling weird today, but that's okay. It's okay to be weird, and I hope you guys can understand. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a beautiful day. Love you. Peace.